morning! Today is Thursday. It's raining this morning. So here you guys, update tayo sa ating mga pananim sa likod ng bahay. Ayan guys, this is the sweet potato. Na-transfer na ni Roberto ang iba. Ayan guys, look at guys. It's very healthy yung strawberry. Look at that. And of course, ayan yung strawberry pa yan iba. And of course, tomato. Ayan guys. Yung natin, yung pang salad. Spinach and lettuce. And of course, yung garlic natin at saka yung onion. And here you go guys. Ayan yung cabbage. It's very healthy. So healthy. Look at guys. So big. See? Oh, look at that.